na yan.
Ay, kakasabi ka ng gamitin na hindi lang. Tibay ka, namapalawas mo ang boses ni Papa.
Oo, magawa siya ng matigas sa tuwan.
Oo, ay malumayabangan mo sila.
Oo, doon to na hay.
Wow!
Oh,
Nagatak na yun!
naglalakas ngayon. Anormal niya na busis. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Let's go, boy. Piraan 1 kiss and red hearts. Wow.
Hindi ko alam. Alam ko, ang sarap na sa kay unomyada na pedaso eh. Tapos ang sarap.
Dua lang ang anong ko.
Siguro nasa ano yung tita.
1 plus.
Dere, wala ka man.
Ay, wala man. Di, ay, barato lang.
700 or 800.
Ano pa man. Good chef. Thank you. Panis ka, boy. Bye. Thank you so much for the likes, for watching. Bimbol, hindi ka.
Bye.
Hi, si Bimbol.
Na.
Luwain gagawin mo si Andang, si Bimbol. Andang!
Ano ka?
Mano? Alatudan ni ano doon?
Labas yan siya. Sa loob, sabi ko nga ni, kakalog ako na.
Dulugan? Dili man hanura man yun, ano naludoon niya.
O kaya, sabi ko, bali dito sa ano, sa iba,
Nabagi.
kaya yung para kaon na yan, iba eh.
Oo. Dadi. Dere siya.
Alam ba ba ito, kung maglipat ko muna ulit natin. Ha? Ano? Oo. Lipat ko lang
Panis ka pa eh. Thank you.
Kaya
Thank you,
nalik ko
Ivan.
pag-aagabi. Lipat ko yan, di ka gagawin.
5 people in the house. Thank you so much. Panis ka pa eh. $17 people in the house. Thank you so much. Mostra. Where the snow is falling, time to nothing all around, but it's turning on like a fairy tale. Sitting by the fire, in the answer when I pray. Thank you, 20 people in the house. Thank you so much. I will find someone. Baby, I found you. All I want is to hold you forever. A good body. Turn on flashlight. Why? Why turn on? Why did you turn on? Hello, Alphabet Zambi. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Venom. Edward. Hi, Edward. Hello, Venom.
Wala. Ayan, what's
29 people in the house. Morning, beautiful. Good morning.
Para sa daan.
what's
Si Minsan to eh. Ako nga kagabi.
La, 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 I thought I would be. Good morning, Benhar. Good morning, Magellang Adventure. Thank you for the likes.
araw gabi?
Bye-bye.
Bakit naaalala ka? Di ko malimot
Kiss na na!
ang sa ating nagdaan. Agila, hi Agila, ano po lumabas sa lot? Malay ko. 31 people, thank you. Anong kinalaman ko dyan sa luto? My God. Okay, where from? From Philippines. I'm from Philippines.
Bawat nasaan.
Super chats, super stickers. Thank you, Benhar. Thank you po. 33 people. Thank you so much. Guys, please like, subscribe, support, and share this channel. Thank you so much. Hello there. Our princess, thank you. I'm at South Africa. It's 4:50 in the morning. Okay. 29 people here. Ta-da-dum. My yellow. Ikong, what yellow? What yellow? My God, what yellow? Thirty-four people. 34 people. Hi, Denard. Ligan. Ingay ng pusa yung nakabalot.
Tulus pa rin ito doon.
Salbahe yung pusa dito sa... Are you married? No, I'm not been married. Never been married. Morning! May yellow at kwartano. You're very beautiful. May yellow. Morning, ma'am, Zam, caloric. Forty people in the house. 23 Ramon Ricardo. Tagay tayo. Aga. Aga ng tagay ah.
Saan ka makapunta?
Sana masabi, magkakatinglabi. Thank you, 13 people. We're back, best boo. EI, EI, EI. You think I'm EI? Huh? My God. From Brazil, Rogerio Ferrer. Babaero daw ako. Nasabi, matakating lapi. You can never gonna have it all. Can't you see? And no matter what happens, life is only one. So whatever, let's do it. Thank you, 51 people. Nancy, hindi nagtinda taho.
Okay, mabakal ka?
Hawain.
Ito na.
Tama na yan. Mag-ano ka? Dire, magluto ka luto. Alin?
Hindi man natin yung kabay. Hindi ka man natin yun.
Aray ko. Tanggalin na natin ito. For Ricardo Martin, handsome Philip. Hi, handsome Philip. Very sure. Did your son take a break from school? Yeah. Their vacation. Their vacation from school. Matuwa lang kami baho ka dito. Yung ko na lang. Polinas. Ramanzon. Thank you, 15 likes. Hi, Fangs. Thank you, Fangs. Thank you for joining, Fangs. Zenica Turkey. From Turkey. 17 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you, thanks.
Makapunta sa bahay. Makapunta sa bahay.
Ato kita sa house. Sometimes, tabi. So much. Hi, say hi. Say hi. Say hello. 66 people in the house. Thank you so much.
Dagdagan ba niya sa'yo? 6, 7.
Say hi. Bye-bye.
One more. 6, 7.
Thank you so much.
One more.
6, 7.
Say 6, 7.
7.
Ah, na lang dyan. 65.
And
Maganda ang mga babae.
Thank you so much. 65 people.
Dapat 6, 7.
Kami ang babang. Hindi ka how.
Hindi po kay Lola. Maradag yan.
Hindi ka ba ng taho?
Ikaw ganina. Naghalik na. Hindi tayo naman.
Ano, wala ka didi. Lagi na. Ay, pag ako hindi. Adaw.
Ay, ito si Lola.
Sending yes, sending heart. Thank you so much. Yayaw. Ipalwa yung kasi. Oh my God, 56 people. Thank you for the thumbs up. What is it?
Sa YouTube yung video.
Opo. YouTube. From USA.
Nakalig lang sa YouTube pagdagaran mo.
1K followers. 1K followers. 22
Jay,
likes.
nandito ka. Huwag na damog ka na dyan.
Send gifts. Super chat. Bye. Kana dito yung babang mo.
Pahingi ako. Bawas na lang sa go.
66 people in the house. Thank you. Baba na sa? Baba na sa? Kasi.
Nagsabot ko lang isang sa
Thank you po. Chips, Sam. Very nice. You're welcome. Bye, thanks. My name is done. Dark green. Hi, Ari. Thank you. Hi, pretty girl. Are you feeling better today? Feeling better today? Would you want to come to the USA? How I come there? William Warren. Lalen. Ayan naman tayo, Lalen. Jilo-jilo ka naman, Lalen. Hello, Kuya. My friend. Donald from USA. Shout from Colorado. Kumusta po? Ilang po. Magandang umaga, babae. Magandang umaga, babae. Oh my God! 77 people here.
Adi, makita kami sa vlog.
Magandang umaga, babae. Okay.
Baka ako ice cream.
So much. Maimod ka ni Antang.
Diba, diba, may stage na ako.
Sana rin?
May stage na ako.
Mas muli ha.
Kanya, suot kita ho.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Your armpits. Hindi.
Sabi?
Super fresh. Your armpit's so clean there. Pati kilikil. How are you doing? Doing, sitting down the chair and doing live. Ha ha ha. Justin. She's my daughter. She's my niece. I want to see your armpit, please. You already see my armpit. My goodness. Ladies, Jason. God.
Baga? Talino ka.
Wow. Puri ang sarili muna. 67 people in the house. 29 likes. Thank you so much. Okay, yarn. Kilikili. Kilikili. 67 Matthew. Yes, 67 Parisi. Matthew Paris. 78. My God. People in the house. Hindi ka nga kay parang medyo malabo. Against the light.
Mo kaya
Hi, Khalifa Segana. 78 people. I'm not available. Yes, beautiful. Puerto Rico here from better light now. Yeah, better light. Pabati naman po kay Lola Pinising Garcia. Lola Pinging Garcia. Sinong Pinging?
Ano yun? Pining Geisha.
Pining Garcia. Sino yun?
Pining Geisha.
Sino yun?
Pining Geisha.
Gago, ba't nandito ka?
Oo, Lord. Na lang. Ayoko. Ikaw na lang.
Kaya gago to. Mabuti na lang, nagtanong ako. Ano yun? Magbababati pa sana ako. Uy, pabati kay Pining Garcia. Pining.
Bakit sino?
Melandro Swamen. Ay, baba.
Ah?
Gago to si.
Abang ko.
Medyo, sa Melandro Swamen. Naligaw, bawal dito ang mga buangers. Bawal dito yan sa akin. Hi from Connection. Connecticut. Pag mga Pilipino talaga, puro kabulastugan no? Wala tayong mapapala dito sa Pilipino. Nanggagago. Miss it, man. Isa pa to si 50 Cent Music. Ulol lang, tanga lang. Jokin ko yung mukha mo eh. Joke lang. Jokin ko yung mukha mo eh. Joke ka pa eh. Joke lang po. Paliwanag ka pa eh. Sa presento ka magpaliwanag. Amin in ano daw? She married. I'm never been married. Hi Cheryl, did you get some sleep now? Hi Hegs, thank you Hegs. Cheryl, you look very beautiful today. Oh, thank you Sir Benhar. I'm her husband. Huh? Thank you, thanks. I'm Philippines. I need to know. Beautiful, beautiful. Edward Shihata. Philippine Emilis. She my wife, huh? Ay, naka. 87 people in the house. I need to know. Yes. 94 people. Wow. First time sa umaga nag-live. Maraming tao. people in the... Oh my God! Thank you, Ron. Erickson yung nagigip ko. Thank you, Ronel. Say hi. Thank you.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you pa. Oh my God. Thank you, Ronel. Thank you pa. 100 people. Thank you pa. God bless her, Ronel. My God. I need to know. Thank you, 102 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ronel. The generous Ronel. Thank you so much. I'm not lying, Cheryl. You're good. You're good. Thank you pa. Thank you, Ronel. Thank you so much. I need to know. We have a daughter together. You have a nice voice. Sing more. Hello, beautiful ma'am. Not today. Saludo hermosa. Soy de Ñol de Argentina. Hello. Would you come to live in New York City? How? How the Carabao? Beautiful. Thank you. Hi, nice girl, handsome. So, who's your friend? She's pretty. She's not my friend. She's my niece. My sister daughter. Hi, Matthew. What type chicken and roaster do you have? I don't have chicken or roaster. The chicken and the roaster, they are from the neighborhood. I'm Filipino from USA. Hi, Edward Feria from USA. Filipino from USA. Thank you so much for joining. Back off. Hi, Golden. You're not her husband. Yes. I don't have husband. Who are ya? I never been married, you know. My God. Oh my God. 104 people. Pareho kayo maganda. Thank you po. I'm going to let everybody know. Oh, you. Videos now. And nobody has fun more like la 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 la. Ano ba yan? Jade Balder. Double tap your screen and to like, comment, or subscribe, support, share this channel. Thank you so much. Everyone is going no. Sorry. Why say sorry? Why are you taking your son for to dinner? No, it's for lunch here. Matthew Perez, do you know what they say? A husband is nothing than a future ex-husband. Really? Hello, Brazil. Hi, Jan. Oh my God po. Thank you so much, Jan, for joining her. Thank you po. Thank you, Jan. I need to know. Oh my God, over 100 po. Yes, over 100 now, John. Like 117 now. My God. Okay. Hola, Espanol. Your husband appear on the live stream. No, I don't have a husband. I've never been married. My God. I'm back. Oh, how many accounts do you have? WW. I don't know that. I don't know who's calling you why. Let's get married. No. I need to hellos. A husband have a picture of their wife on their profile. Please. She's my wife. What? She my wife. Hindi lang nga niya diyan. I-search mo nga niya diyan kung picture ko yan. Okay.
Sa
Okay. Dapao. Who are you? I don't care. May nagano na sa kanya. May nagtay na WWE Junior.
bakit ganun na ganun na message? Hindi yan makita ang message.
Oo, nakaano yun. May surat yun na. Okay ba?
Parang sinabi niya hindi allow.
Parang yung review. Kaya parang hindi rin again. Yeah, din. Hello.
Ikaw yan. Ginamit ng picture mo.
Why are you using my picture? WWE Junior. You ano my picture, ha? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pero iba yung
You're ano. Who are you? Oh my God.
ah, siya yan.
Dili, mag-asawa sila. You're so stupid. WWE Junior. You have a wife. Why you ano? Your shower is so nice. Your biological clock is running. How are you? I'm fine. Everyone's biological clock is running. Biological. Parang nanabobo tayo dito.
Ang ganda, ang dami mo.
Oh my God, from 30 people. Hello, Cheryl's friend. Hi, John. No, she's not my friend. She's my niece. My sister's daughter. Hi, mi amor. Oh my God. I will bring him back. Now, what's your age? My age is 140. 40 years old. Thank you, 149 people. Kailan na to? She's 21 years old. Double tap screen. See, hi. Oh my God, how many? Hey, WWER Junior, why are you using my picture? I don't know you. Who are you? God.
Naririnig ko ba?
Ano ba tinira ka?
Ng boses.
Maliit ba? Paala man si Ron. What is your name? Cheryl. Oh my. I don't have a husband. I have no husband. Mayos ka. Either. Kumusta Brazil? I'm your mud. No. I'm your mud.
Ang your husband.
You're not my mud. Ew. I'm your husband. Yuck. I block Edward. Salo comedy. Bell. Hi, John. Oh my God. Someone calling me. I'm his wife. It's so weird. Parehas kayo, Lods. Maganda. Salamat, Mandaragat TV. Never ask a woman's age. I'm 40 years old. Know about my wife. Yeah. 21. She's 21. You know my wife passed away. You know my wife passed away. Huh? Hmm? Oh my God! Tuwang-tuwa sa matandang dalaga. Ano ngayon? Hola, ¿cómo están? I'm keeping all, huh?
Sa iyo. Sa iyo nga.
Where did you get my pictures? You're psycho, huh? You're psycho.
Idol ka ata ka.
Good morning, Bo. Thank you. Good morning. Anonym ng naka-black. Jella. Warm pot. Have you ever dated a dwarf? No.
Pilipino yun. Ano?
English. Anonym lang naka-black. Jella. Have you ever... No, dwarf. No. Midget. Midget.
Hindi pa yun.
Medyo alanganan. Medyo. Midget. Cheryl ang pangalan niya. Yes, my name is Cheryl. Thank you, John. Kumusta? Ikinagagalak na kilala ka from Japan. Nice to meet you too from Philippines. Hey, Tony. That was weird. Black one, so beautiful. I was watching your video. Thank you. I love your sister. She's beautiful. She's not my sister. She's my niece. My sister's daughter. Michelle, someone put your picture on this channel. Yeah, that's why I'm worried about this. Maybe he's a psycho. Hello there. I'm the CEO of the Allmats. Oh my God. Are you crazy, man? CEO! Girl. What the? Crazy of the Allmats. Oh my God. I have all the power. Really? Show your power. I have all the power.
Ano yung Sterling? Nag-hi, Jen.
Hi, Jella. Jella is a J, as a John. Ako si Julio Cesar, isang nurse, 60 taong gulang na ako, pero gwapo ako. Ano sana?
Ang nakiisa. Hindi ako makaano.
Gwapo talaga. What? The black address, bro. Okay, give me kiss. No. There shall someone put your picture on his profile. Yeah, that's why. His look like he's crazy. He said he's the CEO of the months. Oh my God. Your video on YouTube. Cute niya. Yes po. She's cute, so cute. Like else like one. Just go away. Yes, I need to. My God. Thank you, John. Your sister very hot. She's not my sister. Ulit. She's my niece. Most guys are what? Hello there, beautiful. Are you married? Never. Ulit man tong tanong na to. Not yet married. I'm never been married. Oi. Hello from Chicago. The boys are obviously playing basketball. I like her. Napakabait niya at malambing. Libo-libo na ang followers niya. Salamat! Sino? Beautiful. Kiss you. Naghang na. Naghang na. Hala, naghang na nga. Oh. Cute na yung smell mo, Jella. Kung cute ang smell niya, send ka ng Gcash para sa kanya. Send the Gcash. Kung cute siya. I like Mary Black one. Okay. Nasapawan si Ross. Ang iyong kapatid na babae ay paboro na lang siya. Hello, baby. I want to marry your sister. She's not my sister. She's not my sister. Why your niece not talking? Okay. What she said? What you want to say? Sure thing, sister.
Ano sasabihin?
Thank you, sure. Well, nice to meet you, sure thing.
Nice to meet you, Shorty.
Sure thing, nice to meet you daw. God. Hindi ako masyadong matata sa wika mo. Where understand? Stand up. Bakit? Just respect it at this point. Golden heart. I love her. I'm serious. How are you? Still beautiful. Do you want more gifts? Oh my God.
More gift.
Yes. From Florida. Where are you from? Philippines. Watching from Hungary. Hi, Jella. Hi, Jella. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. You both beautiful Philippines indeed. For sure, a guy put your picture on his profile, yeah. He post. I don't understand why. Hating gabi na dito at hindi ako makatulog. Uwi ka na dito sa Pinas. Umaga dito. How old are you? 40. 40 years old. She behind on the chat. Robin, please can I get her number? No. Todo bang bang bang. How old are you? She's not my sister. She's my niece. 21 years old. She's 21. Sana po kay Bicol province. Good morning, Carlos. I am American, Cuban, speak English and Spanish language. Anthony, Vietnamese meaning of Carlos. Short, it's a compliment. People think your niece is your sister. Yeah, she's not my sister. She's my niece. Ronel, Cheryl knows who, and she knows speak. Yeah, she knows speaks. Yeah. Subscribe. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you so much. Are you sister? Good. She's not my sister. Thank you, Golden. Mukon. Hola. Do you have your own child? Me, I have one child. One kid, I have one kid. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Julio. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, George. I see beauty runs in your family. Thank you. You have a beauty product.
So my ganun.
Korepot buang. Hi, Cheryl. Korepot. Hi, Korepot buang. Oblana. Opina Sani. Okay, I'm 33 years old. I love your niece. Agnes. I don't think so, child. I don't think so, child. I have one kid. Filipino beauty, yes. The Filipino beauty. Korepot buang. Ba't kasi buwag pa? Are you guys Filipino? Yes, you are Filipino. Filipina. Answer about it, please. No more for question. Do you want more kids? Oh my God. Sure kids. Of course, I want more. Mga 5 more kids.
May maganda.
More na maganda. More na ganda. Thank you. More na ganda. Saan ka sa finance? Ulit-ulit naman. Bicol nga.
Baka iba-iba nagtatanong.
Wala. Wala akong anak. Mayroon akong pusa, aso, tandang at inahin. Ay, good job po,
Ano
sir.
siya? Parang Tagalog na.
Translate na niya. If you want 5 more kids, you better find American to come marry you. Only 5. Only 5. I want kids. For ito buang thumbs up. Thank you, layo mo para sa Jella sa Bicol. Yes po. 5 more kids. Yeah. Saan kayo sa Bicol? Oh, ang daming tanong eh. Orang. Hi, Nars. Nice, mga beautiful. Salamat. Are you looking for American husband? No, I'm looking for not only American, but for a man that wait, loading siyempre. Responsible, kind, God-fearing, respectful, loyal. What else? Supportive, Australian, me also wife. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. She with black dress is very beautiful. Yeah, it's just very beautiful. It's just beautiful.
Thank you so much.
What do you golden brand loading? Yes, loading. Wala, if you want, ba't ang dami naman? Oh? Hindi pa ako nakabasa.
Sunod-sunod.
If you want, you will find someone. If you want someone younger, most older foreigners are not interested in having more. Oh, okay. I have 1 kid. So I have one kid, so I want more. You smoking. South Africa, hello from Peru. Loading golden. I'm from Mexico, from Texas. Hi, Ninja
Mexico.
Turtle. Mexico, from Texas. Ninja Turtle. Ninja Turtle. Bye-bye, Jala. Bye. Ang utak, 1% remaining.
Ano ba?
Ilang dolyar ang halaga ng $1? What? Hindi ko alam ang pangalan ng pera ng Pilipinas ay piso. In America, there's a small group of people who live in domestic discipline of you breaks the husband. Ah, wow, that's great. San Francisco, Coripot, Buang. Hello, Colombia. Ma'am, pa-shoutout po ang Grago family ng Calamba, Laguna. Grago family ng Calamba, Laguna, shoutout daw from Jerry Graho. Carlos Romero, have a nice day po. Carlos, she looks mestiza, Bombay, Pinay. Yes, nice house. Wow, what a nice house. Hello from Yoming, USA. Hi, DG Packet from Yoming, USA. Roberto Chavez. Hi. Dami news na nga nag-get. Pa-shoutout kini Jamie. Ay nako, Jamie, puyod ka na naman. Sa susunod, may iba ka naman sasabihin. Si Ivan. Si Jamie, sa next pa. Sarap Bicol Espresso po. Thank you so much. Season mo. Hi. Gano'n na lang din sa ako. Lagay na nila sabi na parang oras. Cheryl, yan? Thank you, Ronel. Thank you, Ronel. Would you consider being an polyamorous relationship? What is that polyamorous? I don't know polyamorous. Dance. Dance. Dance, super chat.
Yung magsasend sila, mag-Gcash.
Diretso sa'yo. Pero ano ba? Pwede mo more than one partner. No. I don't like that. More than one partner. He means multiple wives. No. I'm selfish. Stand up. I don't like that. 69 people in the house. 62 likes. Thank you. Me too. Yes. I'm selfish. What's mine is mine. Marry me. Oh. Why should I marry you, friends of my village? Amen. Meron. Same here. Yeah. Filipinos are selfish for one man. Yeah. We're selfish. People can be crazy. Can't they share? Yeah. Hi, honey. How are you? Hello.
Nagparatapling.
Nagpapaparling. Luzon. I like your friend. She's not my friend. She's my niece. My niece. "65 people in the house. Thank you so much. Kabalo bitaw mo, Bisaya mo, o Tagalog. Go on. I'm Bicolana. Tell me your fine. Guys, please like, subscribe, or share. Thank you so much. Super chat, super stickers, and membership are also available, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Benhar. 7. To Cheryl, are you married? No, never been married. Are you God family? Please be respectful and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you, Bad. Santan. What? John is like Roman Empire would mix clay, sand, and water to make bricks, and they use fire to dry and harden the bricks. Okay. Morning, lady. Have you ever been in love? Of course, I'm in love. I'm in love. Hi, Wawa. How old? I'm 40 years old. Oh. Where are you from? Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Hello, my sister. Thanks for the history lesson, John. Because she wants to be. Yeah. Thank you, Ranel, for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the gift. And thank you so much, Ranel. Sing more. Wow, I am 2 hours away from Philippines in Taiwan. Brother. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. $2 does not even buy a coffee in the States. Here is no, it helps. It helps here. It's okay. It's fine. Here, it can buy coffee. $2 you can buy coffee. What that for Cheryl is? What the tell them? Hey, pretty. Hi, Samuel. If you want to send, if you want to give, just give, just give. Matthew, or yeah. Mhm. Ever since is how nice. Can you connect me with a beautiful lady? Oh my god. Are you a tea girl or coffee? A coffee girl. I'm a coffee lover. Do you know where I'm from? I don't know. Who are you? Hello, Marcelo. I need to know. Ano sila? Golden. This is that for Cheryl. Yes, I'm picking on her. Picking on her. If you really love me, gonna get me a very nice side profile. Thank you. Gorgeous smile though. Respectful and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you guys. She will break my face soon. Why? I am from Mount Everest. Oh, nice to meet you here. Good morning, Mai. Huh? Why, Mai? If you really where you from? I'm from Philippines. You look good. Thank you, Samuel. My name Theo. I'm from Cyprus. I see the icon now. You see the icon. 67 people. Thank you so much. You can hit the dollar sign or you can go for people. Yeah. You can hit the dollar sign or you can go to her people. Yeah. Where are you from? Thank you. Yeah, that's why. I'm from Philippines. I really love your news. When you come Cyprus. No, never been. I never been travel to Cyprus. Looking very beautiful. Thanks a lot. And if you really like it, you love me. 72 people. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Please, Big, you help me with her number? No. I don't know you how I trust you. Welcome to Nepal. Thank you. Have you children or married? Huh? Please be respectful. Thank you, brother. Thanks, brother. 64 people. Thank you so much. What the- Thank you, Gordon. That's a lot. Mrs. Marissa Mali. Demon shout out to Chris Charles. Mikasa. 71 people. Thank you so much. Lovely voice, very sincere and sweet. Thank you. You're very, very popular today po. Yeah, thank you, John. Many people joining today. Can you talk to me? Why need to talk to you? Hola, hola. Beautiful woman to make babies and marry. Oh my god.
Hindi na mga viewers. 7. Nasa party na lang.
7 na naman. Hindi ka din maganda.
Ano 7? Ala,
Anong tada mo?
ano? Ay, baka lolos ka.
Thank you so much. Sorry, I just wiped. What happened here? Hi, brother. No Harris community to villager are very close to each other. I thought you found the dollars in bone material. Yeah, everybody can see that your clothes. Why? Oh, my friend. Hi, Matthew. Long time. Yeah, I'm very petite. To me, yeah. Well, Marvin. You can wait on your pencils. Thank you so much. Hey, how are you now? I said I watched it before. Yeah. Hi, thank you for joining. Oh my god, 78 likes. Uy, wala kang balak mag-ground, ha? Ay, marap ako. Kaya di ka din. Di mo na pa kami. Sino ko na rin sa iyo? I know Filipino girlfriends also. Have you ever seen snow in person, real life? Yeah, never been. Never ever seen snow in real life. Never ever. I invite you to live in Argentina. Do you cook with gas? Yeah, I cook with gas. There's a Christian Filipino dating website. Christian Filipino dating website. Aha. Christian Filipino. Yeah. I don't know what dating site like that. Christian Filipino. Chicken is killing me, but it's okay, brother. Cheryl, only why I know that because other YouTuber was saying that, so I was helping him. Okay. If you're looking for a Philippines lady, fiesta, go visit Philippines, meet their family. Meet the family. Propane, it is a gas or propane bottled gas. No, it's a gas. It's a gas. Stay inside. Outside. Inside. Okay. This inside. There's a question in the side. Okay, now I know. Are you boiling bones for both? No. the salty egg. Maybe only here on the Philippines like this.
Kayla.
I was born in Olongapo City. Ah, wow. What cooking good for? I will cook fried fish. Fried dried fish.
Bakal kami. Lilikaw. Ngayon, magbakas ko na malilikaw. Ano mabakal ka? Ano mabakal akong lilikaw?
What are you talking about? You can download it then. Can I block bad comments? No, I'm not blue, but some people love altogether.
Isko si ate.
Bad comment. Why do I want to download it?
Isko ikabol ako dun.
Bangosh, not fresh. Suddenly blackout. Suddenly blackout here. Sorry.
Ako ba? Ako na ko.
Sorry guys, suddenly blackout.
Wait lang, machat lang ako.
What better can you see what's the signal?
Gusto ko ulit ko.
Suddenly blackout. Sorry guys. We're back. Suddenly blackout. That's why smiling.
May naman nagbuhay. Ano na ba, wifi? Kapag may
Yeah, thank you so much for someone saying here. Thanks a lot. Thank you for joining. Oh, the ano is coming back. Me too now. Thank you so much. You crush your own stream because you boring up. No, suddenly no Wi-Fi. Blackout here. No electricity. 51 people. Thanks.
Huwag mo nga.
Alex, walk on to this. Tingin ka lang, Jayla.
Wala po tao.
I mean, you have a lot of people coming on your channel. Yeah. Thank you. I forgot. Thank you. And they coming back. And they coming back my channel again.
Kamuting ko nga ito. Ayan, sabi
Ano ba yan?
ko, hindi lang.
Yan na. Prepare akong pala.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining here again. 88 people. There is Cheryl. I'm preparing for lunch. Preparing for lunch. This is the salty egg.
Baba, mali mo muna yung na ano, yan na Karton. Karton. Sabay mo ang
Ito ba? My God.
tapos tugutom mo sa baba. Sa baba, sa baba. Sa baba ang pagila. Sa baba. Ito na. Bakloban. Umalo pa kita. Ala ba mang kita atay? Bawakan tama na.
Napapaglalabang masura na ako sa loob.
Nagano pa sa lotong ko, kadod lang.
Ako, may sumuko na ako kasi may figure ako na yung
Boman niya ako.
magkano mo yung bago ko? Kasi may
Lalo na pag mga bago na word.
may mga favorite na.
Mga pagtapos, pag may nag-abot na bago na order, sa mga paborito mo, mabawasan din ka, okay? Dadagdag mo. May ko kalit mo.
The favorite nila. Thank you po. Come on, let's eat, guys. Almusal, not almusal. Salty egg. Yes, the salty. Vicky Tabunar. You work hard for this. Yeah. Let's eat, guys. Come on.
Nalabaran ka ba yung na-short ko? Bara.
Salty egg. This is the salty egg.
Makarinig mo na ako. Hindi ako naghatag. Masabi mo, bado lang ang nalalabahan mo. Siguro nagsabi sa ito. Aso pa rin sa ganun ako. Nano, nano ba yung mga bata? Nano? Ano? Taklo. Sige, dalawa. Yan. Gini. O na? Pantay mo. Ano ibig ka naman? Karagis mo yan? Ano ibig ka? Mali ka?
Ikaw na.
Hindi naman pila. Mapapamto ka na ito. Majality ka mo. Uy, majality!
What's that fish? Fried dried fish. Fried
Slipper mo.
fried dried.
Ayun, ito na saruhan. Ito na saruhan na slipper. Ayun.
Ay, ikaw na ka mo.
Hindi naman niya ang saruhan. Ito sa luwas na ito.
52 people. What did you
Ano ito
just
ba ito? Andres?
almusal at tanghalian? You use that cook all the way, yeah. Come on, let's eat now.
Hulol! Ikaw na lang!
Kaya makakalibo mo na ko. Tapos ko na mag-upo.
Kaano ka mo?
Sige, sige na.
Ano? Ay, ako naman natin. Ay, nakakatawa.
Just say don't want to get sick. Ah, yes. Just say. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Galvin. Mahalik ka mo? Uy, wow! Good! Wow, Jordan! Wow! Hindi ka mangali.
Nagbaka, nagdano ng tao.
Ay, namalindi pala ka mo? Namalindi ka mo?
Ang pangregalo natin sa
Ay, ano may sabi? Hi, Dada. Wow, nagpaburog si Dada.
Paburog si Dada, watong ka sa paburog.
Never heard of
Andito
salt
yan.
egg. Yeah, you will search the salt
Ay,
egg.
magwadwahay na lang. Alas 12.
Karaon na. Paano? Paano ka?
Ay, baby, kaganda ni baby.
Wow, kagayon sambado. Kapabungto ka mo ba ba? Sino? Mabakal ka mo? Sino rin? Parigado? Ah, dito.
Nag-jollibee na lang kamo yun.
Nag-order ako, pero ang adlaw na. Awa to
Pero wala ko na bakit na chicken.
Ah, may ano pa yun? Ba yun sa kayam pa? Pauli?
Man, bakit ang chicken lang na yan? Kumakadungdong pa.
Jollibee andang ha.
Ah, ang dam!
Pasalubong.
Dadam!
Jack.
Ba't sila sir sugod?
Opo.
Ha?
Napasursulog na lang.
Dali
Bye-bye. I need to end the live. Thank you so much for joining. Bye-bye. See you next live.
Cheers.